What's going on, everyone? I wanted to jump on and let you guys know that there's going to be a huge update for my self-haircut program, Self-Haircut University. I literally have spent all morning and afternoon writing a brand new outline for all of the lectures because I'm going to be recreating every single lecture in its entirety. So the whole program is going to have all brand new lectures, right? Made from today until at least the next 30 days. So as of right now, all of the lectures are kind of scattered between 2020 to 2023. So I'm revamping the entire lectures in the entire program, changing things around a little bit. The prices are going to be slightly adjusted. So if you want to jump in now, get in before the update while prices are a little bit cheaper. And one of the big reasons why I wanted to make this massive transformation, right? So I'm basically going to get rid of every single current lecture that's within the program. And I'm going to, I'm honestly cutting the lectures down by more than 50%. So I'm really going to dive in and make every lecture way more efficient, and I'm completely eliminating any fluff, right? And all of this information within these 55 lectures, so I boiled it down from like 120 to 130 down to 55 lectures. It's going to be the most efficient, no fluff program that you could imagine, you know, to learn how to cut your own hair with the least amount of mistakes as humanly possible, and start giving yourself unlimited amounts of free haircuts for the rest of your life. So if you're already a member of Self-Haircut University, whether that's an elite member or a VIP member, you're going to have 100% brand new lectures. At least I'm hoping to have all of this done and completely ready to go to the public by the end of March. So at least 35 days from now, I should have everything complete, all of the videos and lectures complete. And so if you are a current member, of course, God bless, you get all of these lectures for free. Now, any new member, right, or someone that hasn't joined yet, if you do purchase the program today at today's prices, you will also be benefited with the brand new lectures. Otherwise, if you wait until, the end of March when I post everything online, you'll have to pay whatever price I come up with for then. So just to let you guys know, give you a heads up.